What's going on, guys? I'm Nino, the head design engineer here at Costa Carts. Today I'm here with the beautiful 2025 Costa Carts 600L, and I'm going to give you a quick start guide on using your front display screen. All right, now we'll explain the gauges on your front display screen for you. So first, we have your vehicle odometer in the center. We also have a trip odometer that resets each time you turn the vehicle on and off. We also have your miles per hour around the odometer. It's also displayed here in the center. Here we have your vehicle state of charge. You'll notice it says SOC displayed by the green bar. Also tells you in a percentage. This vehicle is currently at 91%. In the center, we have your gear position. So we have the neutral here, but you also see the R for reverse and D for drive. Here we have your current being drawn. So you can see we're currently drawing 1 amp. Here we have your RPMs, your rotations per minute at the wheel. We also have your voltage, 66.4 volts at the moment. Above, we have 3 gauges. We have your battery temperature, we have your motor controller temperature, and your motor temperature. Now, the most popular question, how do I connect my phone to Bluetooth? So here we'll click Bluetooth. You'll notice the name of the vehicle here, 25F7. We can take a look at the phone. We'll hit connect. Should ask you a couple of questions on the screen. We'll hit pair and allow. Take a few seconds to load. It will ask you if you'd like to connect to CarPlay. We'll hit connect. It should take a couple seconds to load. And there you go. We've got wireless CarPlay on the vehicle. So it functions just as your vehicle. Got all your apps ready to go. Let's take a look through the settings on the front display screen. So we'll click settings there. Up first is basic setup. So we have reverse mute, which will mute any sound coming from the speakers when you do put the vehicle in reverse. We have driving ban video, which will not allow any videos to be played while driving the vehicle. We have factory restore, which is for authorized dealers only. You can choose between kilometers and miles here. You can choose between Fahrenheit and Celsius here. We'll go next to tuner region. That does not apply to us. Factory set again is for authorized dealers if they need to do anything to your display screen. If we scroll down below equipment, we see EQ setup. That's going to let you do any of these preset settings to the equalizer. Then you can also do a user setting, which you can play with any of them and get your adjusted setting. Over here at Costa Carts, we think rock sounds best for all music types. We'll just click settings to go back there. We have display settings here, which you can adjust your brightness, your contrast, hue, or saturation. We also have some wallpapers here to choose from, 4 different wallpapers here. Steering wheel controls, again, does not apply. Languages, of course, you can choose any language you need there. And then the version of your display screen will be displayed under version. That's going to do it for settings. Thanks for joining us today for the quick start guide on using the Costa Cart front display screen. If you have any questions on your Costa Cart, feel free to shoot us a message on Instagram or visit the Contact Us page on costacarts.com.